Learning opportunity.
Incredible and amazing.
Enriching, informative.
Inclusive and multifaceted.
Challenging and influential.
Insightful and empowering.
The summer internship program at IRM is a very rigorous program. It has been going on for past more than a decade. Coming from different backgrounds, there is an exchange of ideas and experiences between the interns and also between the staff and the interns.
It was an amazing opportunity. I've learned so much more than that I expected. The focus this year was on entrepreneurship with insightful sessions led by experts. I was placed in social protection department where I gained practical skills on writing proposals, donor outreach and budget planning. The highlight for me was meeting and learning from diverse group of people from across Pakistan, making my time at IRM truly memorable.
IRM ने पहली बार मुझे प्रोफेशनल वर्क प्लेस का एक्सपीरियंस प्रोवाइड किया, तो ये एक्सपीरियंस मुझे अपने फ्यूचर में स्टार्टअप या बिजनेस इनिशिएट करने में बहुत हेल्प करेगा। इंटीरियर सिंथेसिस से आने के बाद डाइवर्स बैकग्राउंड के इंटर्नशिप के साथ इंटरेक्ट करना मेरे लिए सबसे यूनिक एक्सपोजर था।
The 6 weeks at IRM were not only busy work, but I garnered an experience of professionalism. The focus of our internship was on entrepreneurship, and we had different categories of entrepreneurship, including social entrepreneurship, green entrepreneurship, and digital entrepreneurship, which is a skill much required in our current generation. Overall, the experience was quite engaging, it was quite enriching, a very diverse experience.
I think it was a very fruitful experience as we learned about direction and camera work, and further we got to know how to, when we are in a situation like that, how do you conduct yourself in front of the interviewees. The department, I learned a lot about EV and I learned a lot about graphic designing, and I learned how to communicate with other sectors, which was very rewarding experience. I think it will help me in my lifetime.
These 6 weeks has given me endless opportunities and possibilities. I had valuable and enriching experience during my summer internship program. I had developed skills in teamwork, problem solving and communication, and how to handle digital stuff. That was something really new for me.
I have with IRM, my practical skills were further honed through the various visits. Firstly, at the National Incubation Center Islamabad, secondly, the field work at Sangjani, and lastly, the hands-on work experience at the AV section. IRM helped me build that bridge immensely, and it's a journey I'll carry with me as I continue to pursue my passion.
Every year, IRM contributes towards the professional development of these young minds. As we say, one day you're an intern, the next you're part of the team.